Guys, I'm Adrian from 2002 and I'm here on windstorm 234. So count with her here, and recently you would have watched or would have heard of the FMAN122. Well, he has scammed her as well. That's either a troller or some random, probably a troller or some random dude. Anyway, should we, go to it then. She had, maybe click in the animal journey book here. She had, as you can see, she got a bird thing from Birds of Paradise Party, and if you go out of it, she had set it right here and got maybe walked around your day with it, and it's gone. It's not even there. When she got here at me house, she said that he was in her den before, and sent her like 4 gemograms of gifts. Do they have gifts attached to them?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think I did.
So yeah, guys, he is back. He is back.
Do it. I don't know why I did that.
It doesn't matter if you block him or report him, he still can get in. It doesn't matter if you lock your den as well, because he still can get in.
Mine is unlocked. See, it is locked.
She also said she found him in crystal sand. So then, did you go to your den or something?
Yes, I went to my den after crystal sands. He was right there, around here, harassing all the animals.
Were they going psycho like his back or something?
Yes, they were.
Dude, he really is back. This isn't a hoax or anything, guys. So that's basically it. Yeah, be safe and jam on, bye jelly beans, peeps, whatever, dudes, duets. Good.